Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick review on the Ordinary Skincare Marula Oil, which is 100% cold-pressed virgin marula oil, and you may be noticing I'm pointing out these breakouts on my face, and I just want to share that this is not due to the oil at all. My skin was just freaking out due to hormones. So don't worry about that. I really don't know why my skin was freaking out, but I can assure you it's not from this oil. So moving on to the review, the reason why I purchased this oil is because not only is it really good for moisturizing the skin as it is a oil for the skin and hair, it also is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants and other beneficial factors that help to not only repair, restore, hydrate, moisturize the skin, but also to encourage anti-aging with those antioxidants and also brighten the skin tone, which sounds kind of hard to believe because it's an oil, but that is exactly why I am reviewing it for you guys today. So as this is an oil and it does contain a lot of those fatty acids, it is more rich than oils I am used to applying on my skin, such as jojoba oil. I find it a lot more rich in comparison, but if I was to say how rich it was, it's maybe half as rich as coconut oil, if that makes sense, and heavier than the jojoba oil. When applied to the skin, it really doesn't spread that easily, which I have experienced with jojoba oil in comparison, so I find I have a little more of a difficult time spreading it on my skin. However, I don't really mind this because personally I like to massage my face when I apply oil, so that is what I'm doing in this demonstration. I'm just doing a light massaging of my skin to help depuff the face, and then I also like to bring up whatever is left over of that oil around my under eye area to add hydration, and also in the areas of my face that I would get fine lines such as crow's feet, smile lines, all that stuff, and then just patting it into the skin. Now, in terms of how it worked on my skin, honestly in the summer it was way too rich, so I didn't use it that much, but now that the fall season is upon us, I've noticed I've been adding maybe 4 drops into my moisturizer to give me the moisture that I need in this time of year, and it's been working absolutely perfectly. Aside from that, in terms of brightening my skin, I haven't noticed anything, to be honest. I still get better results from a vitamin C serum, especially in terms of antioxidants, skin brightening effects. I really don't see any results with this oil. I see way better results with vitamin C products or other acids such as AHA, glycolic acid, and all that jazz. But if you are looking for a really nice medium rich oil for moisturizing your skin and incorporating into your routine that's going to help repair dryness, cracked skin, stuff like that, I definitely recommend this oil. It's really good for that. And on days that my hair is extra dry, I add maybe 3 drops into my hand and apply it to the ends of my hair, and it's perfect. So comment down below, let me know if you've tried it, and of course subscribe to see more videos like these. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!